Have you ever wondered how reggae music, with its irresistible grooves and profound messages, came to be? Picture a genre that's more than just a rhythm, but a voice echoing struggles, triumphs, and dreams. An art form born from the vibrant culture of Jamaica that has since flowed across borders, touching hearts worldwide. It's a tale of resilience, revolution, and rhythm, encapsulated in the pulsating beats of reggae. Intriguing, isn't it? Now journey with us as we trace the roots of this captivating music genre. Reggae music was born in the 1960s in the vibrant and colorful land of Jamaica. In a time when the island was alive with the energy of newly gained independence, the people of Jamaica were feeling a mixture of hope and uncertainty. The air was heavy with the scent of change, and the rhythm of the streets beat with a pulse that was uniquely Jamaican. The socio-political climate of the 1960s was a melting pot of influences. The struggles for equality and rights were not just isolated to the United States or South Africa. Jamaica was also grappling with issues of social inequality, poverty, and political discontent. In the midst of this, the people found solace in music, a unifying force that transcended barriers and offered a medium for self-expression. This was the backdrop against which reggae was born. Reggae music is deeply rooted in the Rastafarianism movement, a religious and social movement that emerged in Jamaica in the 1930s. The Rastafarian belief in peace, unity, and the rejection of materialism resonated with the Jamaican people and influenced the thematic content of reggae music. The songs often contained messages of social justice, resistance, and a longing for equality. African musical traditions also played a significant part in shaping reggae. The rhythmic complexity, the call and response style, the emphasis on offbeat rhythms, all these elements were borrowed from African music and incorporated into reggae. The result was a unique sound that was as complex as it was compelling. But reggae was more than just a fusion of African music and Rastafarian beliefs. It was a voice for the voiceless, a medium through which the silenced could speak, and a platform for the marginalized to express their discontent. It was a call to action, a plea for justice, and a demand for change. Reggae was not just a genre, it was a movement, it was a revolution. It was the heartbeat of a people, the soul of a nation, and the voice of a generation. Reggae was more than just music, it was a voice, a movement, a revolution. As reggae music took root, it began to spread, touching hearts and minds far beyond Jamaica's shores. The 70s were a pivotal time for this genre, a period that saw reggae dance its way onto the global stage. This wasn't just music, it was a movement, a revolution. It was during this time that artists like Bob Marley and Peter Tosh started to gain international acclaim. Their music was rich, soulful, and deeply resonant. It was more than just a rhythm, it was a message, a call to action, a plea for love, unity, and resistance against oppression. Bob Marley, with his distinctive voice and powerful lyrics, became the face of reggae. His songs, like One Love and Redemption Song, carried a universal message of peace and unity that transcended borders and cultures. Marley was not just an artist, he was a symbol of hope and resilience. Peter Tosh, another reggae icon, used his music as a tool for social commentary. His song, Equal Rights, became an anthem for those fighting against social inequities. Tosh, with his uncompromising lyrics and fiery performances, was a beacon for those seeking justice and equality. The themes of love, unity, and resistance in their music struck a chord with people around the world. This was music that spoke to the heart, that resonated with the struggles and aspirations of the common man. It was a voice for those who felt voiceless. Reggae's rise was not just about the music, but also about the message it carried. It was a soundtrack for social change, a rhythm that echoed the heartbeat of the people. It was a genre that brought people together, that broke down barriers, and that gave a voice to the voiceless. So, as the 70s rolled on, reggae continued to grow and evolve. It was not confined by geographical boundaries or cultural differences. It was embraced by people from all walks of life all around the world. It was a sound that resonated, a beat that united, a message that inspired. Reggae was not just a genre, it was a global phenomenon. Reggae has continued to evolve, influencing and being influenced by other music genres. The rhythm of reggae music, its deep roots and powerful messages, have not only shaped its own development, but have also left an indelible mark on the wider music scene. First, let's take a quick look at how reggae has evolved within its own sphere. Over the years, it has given birth to vibrant subgenres like dancehall and reggaeton. Dancehall, which emerged in the late 70s, is characterized by its upbeat tempo, digital instrumentation, and often its provocative lyrics. It's a genre that thrives on the energy of the dance floor, a far cry from the laid-back vibes of traditional reggae, yet still unmistakably rooted in it. Then there's reggaeton, a genre born in Puerto Rico in the early 90s. It's a fascinating fusion of reggae, Latin American rhythms, and contemporary electronic music. Its infectious beats and catchy melodies have taken the world by storm, further spreading the influence of reggae to new audiences and territories. But it's not just within its own family tree that reggae has been making waves. It has also had a profound influence on mainstream music genres, particularly hip-hop and pop. The use of a heavy bass line, offbeat rhythms, and socially conscious lyrics in hip-hop can be traced back to the foundations of reggae. Pop music, too, has been infused with reggae's distinctive sound, adding a touch of Caribbean warmth to its broad appeal. The likes of Rihanna, Drake, and Justin Bieber have all incorporated elements of reggae into their music, bringing reggae's influence into the 21st century and ensuring its legacy continues to be heard on the global stage. As we've seen, reggae's evolution has been both internal and external, shaping and being shaped by the musical landscape around it. It's a testament to the enduring power of this genre that it has not only survived but thrived, continuing to reinvent itself while staying true to its roots. Reggae's beats continue to reverberate, its messages continue to resonate. The story of reggae is far from over, its rhythm is still unfolding, its voice still being heard. Reggae's legacy is as vibrant and profound as the music itself. This is not merely an assertion, but rather a testament to the profound impact this genre has had on the world stage. A rhythmic embodiment of resilience and revolution, reggae has woven itself into the very fabric of global culture. From the pulsating streets of Kingston, Jamaica, reggae music found its wings and soared across oceans, transcending boundaries of language, race, and geography. It became a universal language, a harmonious call to action, a unifying force that brought people together irrespective of their differences. Its resounding message of peace, unity, and liberty has been an antidote to social and political unrest, a beacon of hope in tumultuous times. Reggae's influence didn't stop at global unity. It seeped into the heart of modern music, infusing its unique rhythm and soul into various genres. From pop chart toppers to hip-hop anthems, reggae's pulse can be felt. Artists like Rihanna, Ed Sheeran, and Jay-Z have all dipped their musical quills in the reggae ink, painting their songs with its vibrant hues. And then, there's the undeniable role reggae has played in promoting social justice. The genre's roots in the struggle against inequality and oppression have made it a powerful tool for advocacy. The lyrics, soaked in the spirit of resistance, have given voice to the voiceless, courage to the oppressed, and hope to the downtrodden. Reggae's legacy is not confined to the past. It continues to thrive, to evolve, to inspire. New generations of musicians are picking up the reggae torch, illuminating their music with its light. Its rhythm continues to pulse, its message continues to resonate, and its spirit continues to uplift. Reggae music has become more than a genre. It's a movement, a philosophy, a way of life. It's a testament to the power of music to instigate change, to heal, and to unite. Reggae music, a vibrant tapestry of rhythm and revolution, continues to echo across the globe. So, what have we learned about the history of reggae music? We've journeyed through the birth of reggae, right from its humble beginnings in the vibrant and colorful Jamaica of the late 50s and early 60s. We've seen how it emerged as a voice for the voiceless, a bold expression of resistance and resilience against the backdrop of socio-political upheavals. We then traced the rise of reggae, how it swiftly moved from the streets of Kingston to the global stage, with icons like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Burning Spear at the helm. Their passionate lyrics and distinctive beats not only made the world dance but also provoked thoughts about freedom, equality, and love. Next, we looked at reggae's evolution, how it has branched out into various subgenres like dancehall, dub, and roots reggae. We explored how it has influenced and been influenced by other styles of music, creating a rich tapestry of sounds that transcends traditional genre boundaries. Finally, we touched on the enduring legacy of reggae, the indelible mark it has left on global music and culture. We saw how it continues to inspire new generations of artists across the world, its messages of peace, unity, and resistance still relevant today. The echoes of reggae music continue to inspire and unite us, proving that music truly knows no boundaries.